and welcome to Ongo Weight Loss. We know that starting your Wegovy journey can bring a mix of excitement and a little nervousness, and that's completely normal. Some people are ready to go right away. Others like to see exactly how it works first. Today, I'll guide you through how to use your Wegovy pen safely, step by step. Inside your delivery, you'll find your Wegovy pen. This pen contains multiple doses, one to be taken each week, a pack of needles, an information booklet about your medication, and, depending on the shipment, an ice pack to keep your medication cool during transit. Don't worry if the ice pack has melted. Wegovy is stable at room temperature for several weeks. Let's get started. Step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly. Step 2. Check your pen. Remove the cap and set it aside. Check the expiry date, the dose strength, and the color of the medication. It should be clear and colorless. Step 3. Clean the top of your pen with an alcohol wipe. Step 4. Attach the needle. Take one needle from the pack, remove the paper seal, and screw it onto the pen. Remove both the outer cap and the small inner cap to expose the needle. Never use the pen without a needle. It can damage the device. Step 5. Prime the pen before first use. Turn the dose knob until you see 2 dots in the dose window. That's the prime setting. Hold the needle upright, press the dose button, and look for a small drop of liquid at the tip. If you don't see a drop, repeat until you do. This clears any air from the pen. Step 6. Choose your injection site. You can inject into your stomach, thigh, or upper arm. Clean the area with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Always rotate sites with each dose to protect your skin. Step 7. Set your prescribed dose. For example, if you're starting on 0.25 milligrams, twist the dose knob until it reaches that amount. Step 8. Inject. Pinch your skin, insert the needle at a 90-degree angle, and press the dose button. Hold for 6 seconds to make sure you get the full dose. Check the window has returned to 0. That confirms the dose is complete. Step 9. Dispose of the needle safely. Replace both caps, unscrew the needle, and drop it into a sharps container. Put the pen